Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. So today I'll be unboxing the base form Gogeta from the line the Extreme Saiyan. So this is the last figure of the line, excluding the last prize Ultra Instinct Goku, which is not released overseas, so it is difficult to obtain. But other than that, this is the last figure of the Extreme Saiyan line that includes Super Saiyan Blue Vegito, Super Saiyan Blue Gogeta, Master Ultra Instinct Goku, and last prize Ultra Instinct Goku. Previously unboxing Super Saiyan Blue Gogeta and Super Saiyan Blue Vegito was really nice. Those figures came out really great, from the details to the height to the size and everything in between. It was really nice. I also have high hope for this one. This is essentially the same Super Saiyan Blue Gogeta. Without further ado, let's get with the showcase of the box and then we'll go to unboxing the figure. And here we are, guys. Base form Gogeta, combination of Vegeta and Goku using the fusion dance. Vegeta is personally one of my favorite characters, so seeing him as a figure, especially a really great rate and great detail figure, is just simply amazing. Let me give you guys a quick comparison of the other Extreme Saiyans from the height difference and from the detail differences or similarities. First we have Master Ultra Instinct Goku. The size, the height, the weight is very similar to this Gogeta, with Gogeta weighing maybe a few more ounces than the Master Ultra Instinct Goku. Super Saiyan Blue Vegito, which is the exact same height of the Gogeta, but Vegito seems to have way more details, as you can see from the muscle carvings right here compared to the Gogeta carvings, but that's also because his arm is almost being flexed from the way he's holding it, which is, I think, is actually really great. They thought that far ahead into the sculpt of this figure. And then Super Saiyan Blue Gogeta, stands at the same height as every single one of them, having the same weight as the base form Gogeta, having the same carving, same details, same height, same size. The only difference being the hair color, hence the form of Super Saiyan Blue and the base form. No really particular differences between the Super Saiyan Blue Gogeta and base form Gogeta. All the same concept, just different form. Nonetheless, this completes the Extreme Saiyan line from the Masterlise Extra. Really glad to have completed this line, be able to box every single one for you guys. So let me get these extras out of the way really quick and show you a quick view of the base form Gogeta. So here we are from toe to head. The great details within them. Everything is just great about this figure. You can see the little itty bitty lines within the hair. You can see the knuckle carvings, which is really interesting. How pointy the hair is, ends of the hairs. The creases in his feet, in his shoes. Just a really great figure overall. The Extreme Saiyan line is actually one of the best lines personally for me, in my opinion. And there we have it, guys, the last figure to unbox for the Extreme Saiyan line. It was great to have every figure of the Extreme Saiyan line that I could access at the moment. Now I don't have to worry about getting it in the near future. Just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I really hope you guys enjoyed me unboxing this Extreme Saiyan base from Gogeta from the Masterlise Extra. Hope you guys leave a like and subscribe for any new people out there. If you guys enjoy my content, have more Dragon Ball Z figures unboxing for you guys, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for 28 subscribers.